This is the part 5, I guess. Yeah, part 6 of Park Random Video Vault. Okay, now we're gonna pause this and we're gonna continue this when we're there. Kaya mo ako? Yeah. Okay, go. Kaya? Ah, can you bike fast? Ba't ganito yung bike? Parang luwag. Saan na ba tayo? Ano yun, di ba? Ano street to? Okay, let's go, guys! Okay. Uy, wala naman akong dadaanan. Ate, mag-seno ka para yan. Oh, shit. Ay ba, parang ano pa siya? Wow. Hoy, mag-switch bikes tayo, ah. Do you recognize look me again. Looks like Garfield. It's Fat Fluffy. Hey, that looks like Fluffy. What's Fluffy? It's Simon's old cat in his pink house. Remember his pink house? Or maybe that is Fluffy. Whoa. Look at the cloud. That looks like a poop. That one. And that looks like a... Saan ba tayo? That looks like a hand that's reaching something. Saan ba tayo? Di ba pag yung basket, ang dami yung tinitignan doon. Paraditan, glindan, parita, no, what a big black man, ano, guru, bayabu, alasang dindam, bang, dambo, Can you drive faster? No, not good! He's driving me the math out. There's something wrong with this bike. Yeah, tell me about it. Hoy, bakit yan? Jeff, bakit yan? Bakit yan? Saan ba ito? Wait lang. Ano nangyari? Wala. Bakit? Ano yung tumunog? Baka, saan ba tayo pupunta? Kasi tayo, malayo nga kasi. Sabi ko lagi tayo, ay, kasi reklamo kayo na malayo. Sa gate ba yun? Oo, malapit yun. Mas malayo pa dun. Ay, di ba ito yung gate? Parang diretso. Bilis ng airplane, no? Bilis ng airplane. No? Ano? Bilis ng airplane. Bilisan na lang natin, dali. Jilalis, may kotse! Basta bilisan lang natin. Basta namin yan. Jill, can I sit here? Okay. Sigurado ka ba kaya mo yan? Wait, I will let you down. Kaya tumalikod ka na lang. You and... Bilis! Lang! Can I drive faster later? Well, you know, drive faster. It's the fastest I can do. Stop doing that. Can you do that? Stop shaking it. You want to fall? Yeah. Okay. No. Just continue biking. Bike. My mom might see me. Just bike fast so they won't see me. Napapagod na ako. This is the fastest I can do. Pag may nakita natin yung kotse ni yung tricycle pala. Can you pause it? So here's Simon's house.
Sabi na sila, so here's Simon's house.
Yeah.
Oh, no, but it smells bad. It smells bad. Sumalik na aso. Alam ko, nagsiwalaan na sila po. I learned how to make a Slenderman mask. I need a white plain shirt.
Shall we go inside?
Yeah, let's make a video. Okay, I'll just...
This is Papa Dog 2008 with his new house.
Actually, it's addicted to Gangnam Style.
So hot. Nagkasugat na ako. Oo, pa nakakapagod. Hey, Puppy!
Oh no,
This is
so dirty like my cat.
See, this is
My cat just came back from the vet.
This is Papa Dog 2008.